Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I'll be reviewing the MIOFIVE S1 4K dashcam, but make sure to stay to the end because I'll be showing you some driving footage. The MIOFIVE S1 dashcam has a resolution of 2160 at 30 frames per second with a 7-glass lens, which is 4K. The S1 dashcam has an 8 megapixel sensor, which gives you high resolution footage for enhanced details. The MIOFIVE dashcam comes with the HDR with an f1.8 aperture. This enables nighttime vision to record details at night. You can also switch the dashcam to record at 2K resolution of 2560 at 1440 at 30 frames per second. The S1 dashcam has a 140-degree wide-angle lens to capture full view of the road and details. The dashcam has a 3-inch IPS LCD screen which is large enough to play back videos and edit your settings. You could also use the clock-style screensaver option and apply the time and date of your dashcam. The dashcam doesn't come with a micro SD card. A Class 10 U3 SD card is required. The maximum SD card for this dashcam is 512 gigabytes. I like this because you get more recording space for your loop recording and your emergency lock files. And I'll put links in the description down below for the recommended SD cards to purchase. The MIOFIVE S1 dashcam is adjustable with a 360-degree rotation and angle adjustments. All you have to do is loosen the tiny knob to adjust your dashcam and then tighten it back. The dashcam also has an easy off tab to help you remove the dashcam from the base, and it's also easily to slide right into the mount. The MIOFIVE S1 dashcam is equipped with a built-in GPS. The GPS captures your speed while you're driving. The GPS information on your driving footage can be used as evidence to prove your speed or slow down to avoid an accident. Another feature the S1 dashcam has is camera calibration. All you have to do is align your dashcam with the vertical and horizontal line, which is right above the horizon line to the vanishing point of the road. This feature will help you find a good position and angle to adjust your dashcam. Next is algorithm. The MIOFIVE dashcam comes with the voice guidance and alerts to help you. These are 3 settings you could use. The first one is fatigue alarm. If you're on a road trip or driving for a living, the MIOFIVE dashcam will remind you to take a break after 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours of driving. You can also use this feature if you're on a road trip with multiple drivers. When the alarm rings, you can simply switch drivers. The second one is harsh driving alert. Now, if you come to an abrupt stop or speed, it will give you an alert. The third one is stop and go reminder. When you're at a stoplight and you don't notice the car moving in front of you, the dashcam will give you an alert to keep up with the traffic. This is a good feature, especially for teen drivers. The MIOFIVE S1 dashcam connects to your iOS or Android device using the dual band of 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi feature. Now, besides connecting the app with your Wi-Fi, you can also use Bluetooth to connect to the app. With the MIOFIVE app, you can view your recordings with the S1 dashcam. You can also download the 4K videos to your smartphone. You can also configure all the settings of the dashcam with the MIOFIVE app. You can also get over-the-air firmware updates for free through the MIOFIVE app. The dashcam also comes with loop recording. Loop recording will create new videos that would automatically overwrite the oldest recording when the memory card is full. You don't have to do anything, it's all done by the dashcam. Now, even though you have loop recording, you still need to format your dashcam at least once a month. This is because the dashcam is recording new videos and deleting videos. The G sensor is also taking space from loop recording. Then there is G sensor. G sensor can be set to off, low, medium, or high. The 3-axis G sensor is triggered by a collision or shake, like potholes, speed bumps, or hard braking, and will automatically record a 60-second video. The dashcam will lock the current footage and will not be overridden by loop recording. This will protect your video for evidence for any insurance claims. All emergency lock files created by G-Sensor cannot be overridden by loop recording. That means every lock file is taking space from loop recording, and the only way to delete emergency lock files is by formatting your SD card. For more information on G-Sensor and loop recording, I'll put a link in the description down below. This video has valuable information for dashcam users. Then there is the emergency lock feature. If you see an incident happen, like an accident in front of you, but not to you, all you have to do is hold down the down button and the dashcam will record an emergency video. This video will be locked and cannot be overridden by loop recording. You can preserve this evidence and send it to drivers involved in an accident. The MIOFIVE S1 4K dashcam offers 24-hour parking mode. To use parking mode, a MIOFIVE HARDWIRE kit is required. I'll put a link in the description down below if you're interested in purchasing a HARDWIRE kit for your dashcam. I will also put a link in the description for a step-by-step video on how to start a HARDWIRE kit into your vehicle. Now let me explain what a HARDWIRE kit does. The HARDWIRE kit comes with a low voltage feature that will automatically turn off your dashcam when the car battery voltage drops below a certain level. This will help to prevent the car battery from being drained, ensuring that the car can start normally the next time you use it. Just a quick break in here. Just want to let you know, if you're new to JD Answers, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, select all notifications, because I got more videos for you. We do dashcam step-by-step installations, dashcam reviews. We do dashcam menu reviews where we show you how to set all the settings, how to play back videos, and we even show you all the icons. We also do app reviews where we show you how to connect to the app. We go over all the menus, how to set the settings, how to play back videos, and how to download videos to your cell phone. If you're not new here, welcome back. One of the MIOFIVE parking modes is collision detection. When you turn off your engine, the MIOFIVE dashcam will automatically power off. In 10 seconds, it will enter parking mode. When the G sensor is activated by a vibration or crash, the dashcam will start recording a 60-second video and re-enter parking mode. You could set your S1 dashcam parking mode G sensor to low, medium, or high. The MIOFIVE parking mode also features time-lapse video. The time-lapse is a feature where a frame rate of 1 frame per second when playing back your videos. Your videos will play back at a faster rate. This feature enables the dashcam to save drive space in your SD card. You could also set your dashcam to 4 hours, 8 hours, 16 hours, and 24 hours of recording after the engine is turned off. Make sure to subscribe to JD Answers for a step-by-step video on how to install the MIOFIVE S1 dashcam into your vehicle. Now let me show you some driving footage and we could put this dashcam to the test. Alright, so what did you think? Is this the right dashcam for you? If it is, I'll put links in the description down below. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video because it really helps the channel. Now, 90% of my viewers are non-subscribers, so please consider subscribing to my channel as it really helps the channel grow and create more step-by-step videos for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!